Reading phrases with short E. Children, read with me. The 10 men. The 10 men. The men in the tent. The man in the tent. Ted and Jed. Ted and Jed. A leg on the bed. A leg on the bed. A hen in the den. A hen in the den. A keg and a peg. A keg and a peg. A bell in the well. A bell in the well. A wet net. A wet net. A red pen. A red pen. Good job, children.